Good afternoon, everyone. It was actually 3:44 p.m. and I have arrived at Changhong Estate. So from Changhong Estate, we went up these stairs and crossed this bridge. And I was actually hiking with two of my friends that day. Actually, funnily enough, both of them are Christian, but they don't go to the same church. Apparently, this is San Zhi Xiang, and from that spot, we crossed the road and went up these stairs. There's a path on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, and we actually have to turn left. And go up these stairs and down again. And turn right here. And keep going along this path. And then we have to go down here. My whole world has turned to stone. I was saying to my friends, we might not be able to go to San Zhi Xiang North Peak today because of the dog that was at the start of the trail. But then I realized we can actually connect this trail to San Zhi Xiang North Peak. So we did the original trail that we drew. And you will walk past some graves during this trail. So if you don't like it, then I wouldn't recommend you going to this hill. Apparently, this place is the Zhi Xiang. Do you want to take a photo here? This spot that we just stopped at was actually Zhi Xiang, and I didn't fly my drone here because it was too low, and I wanted to fly my drone in a higher spot of the hike. Starting from this point of the trail, it's all just staircases. So here you can go up to Tsing Yi Road West, but we're gonna follow the rain shelter direction. There's actually a road here that goes to Tsing Yi Road West, but we are gonna keep going up these stairs for now. Once you walk past this pavilion, you will arrive at the San Zhi Xiang North Peak. San Zhi Xiang, also known as Tsing Yi Mountain, is a mountain peak in Hong Kong, located in the southern part of Tsing Yi. This is how to go down. If I could stay abroad, and I wish I could stop myself. After I finished flying my drone, we kept going down the stairs to the next peak. And now we gotta go up. Wanna go home. I miss the food at home, and I miss not having to do everything alone, and we've arrived at San Zhi Xiang Middle. There's no Trigonometric station here, and there's loads of trees here, so I'm not gonna fly my drone here. Peak. And we actually went to this spot to take a little peek at the view. And we're now gonna go down to San Zhi Xiang South Peak. But I think I had enough, so won't you let me go home? There's a little bit of going down and a little bit of going up.
Yeah.
27 meters away from the last peak. And we've arrived at San Zhi Xiang South Peak. From a distance, it looks like 3 incense sticks in a row, so it is called 3 incense sticks. And Tsing Yi Mountain has another meaning in ancient geography, which refers to the mountain on the sea, which means Tsing Yi Island. From the top of the hill, you can see the entire western part of Victoria Harbour and the entire Chunwan New Town to the northeast. San Zhi Xiang already has paved mountain roads for people to walk on, and the hiking routes are in good condition, so it is also a popular hiking route. However, the government has no plans to develop San Zhi Xiang at the moment, so there is no driving path up the mountain yet. However, the Changting Tunnel and the Naoman Tunnel, the 3 incense sticks has a special role in Tsing Yi Island, which is a natural screen. Since the development of the new town in Tsing Yi is concentrated in the northeast corner, and there are many large oil depots and many heavy industries in the west and south. In case of a major accident, the 3 incense sticks will act like a natural screen to separate the 2 areas to avoid causing serious casualty. And now I'm going to go down. After flying my drone there, it already started to become dim, so we had to take our headlights out. This is the night view of Tsing Yi. Oh my god, this is San Zhi Xiang in Lemon Island. And I also took a photo over here. And also took a photo in front of this bridge. This spot is the Instagrammable spot that I see everyone take a photo at. So I'm also going to take a couple of photos here. Okay, so we managed to catch the night view here. This is the most stunning view of this trail.
Okay.
I tried to fly my drone here, but it doesn't let me fly.
Maybe you can help me to one more.
I just noticed we can even see Tsing Yi over here. We can also see Tin Cow Bridge, and I think the bridge over here is Tingma Bridge. and actually took a few photos there. And as it was so dark, I decided to end my vlog here. Don't forget to subscribe.